हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूँ सीमा विकास गादिया। और ये जो वीडियो है ना वो उन पेशेंट्स को हेल्प करने वाला है जो कोविड पॉजिटिव हैं और आइसोलेशन में हैं, और ये उन लोगों के लिए भी है जो कोविड पेशेंट्स की मदद करना चाहते हैं। वेल, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी टेल यू, आई एम नॉट प्लेइंग अ डॉक्टर हियर। मैंने अपने कोविड एक्सपीरियंस से जो समझा है, जो सीखा है, जो एक्सपीरियंस किया है, मैं वही आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। एंड आई होप इट ब्रिंग्स अ लिटिल पॉजिटिविटी एंड अवेयरनेस। वेल, सबसे पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि ऑन 3rd of April मुझे रात को आई थिंक अराउंड 8:39 आई फेल्ट अ लिटिल सोर थ्रोट, मुझे थोड़ी सी खिच सी लग रही थी। सो एंड नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग ऑन अ संडे मॉर्निंग, दैट्स 4th of April, when I woke up I didn't feel my normal self. I'm this person who kind of just pops out of the bed and I'm walking and doing a lot of activity and all of that. But उस दिन मुझे थोड़ी सी lethargic feel हो रहा था, थोड़ी थकान सी महसूस हो रही थी. So I just spoke to a couple of doctors and physicians whom I know, and they said, Seema, they were aware that I've been working very hard for the last 1 month, at work and all of that. So उन्होंने कहा कि सीमा, it is exertion of work because आपको कोई symptom नहीं है. So basically I had no body ache, I had no temperature, cold, cough, कुछ भी नहीं था, headache, nothing at all. But still I didn't want to take a chance. I immediately quarantined myself, and for one entire day, I was resting. And even the next day when I woke up, जब मैं Monday सुबह उठी, तब भी I was not feeling my normal self, and that's when I decided to test, go for a COVID test. Of course, a lot of people told me you're just fine and just take a paracetamol and go for work and all of that. But I said no, I can't do that. शायद मैं healthy feel कर रही हूँ, and but what if I'm positive? I can be a carrier to so many other people. So I decided to test, and next day I was very prepared. मैं बहुत confident थी in my head कि मुझे कुछ नहीं है, and I can just once the report comes I can go for work and all of that. लेकिन जब मेरी reports आई, I was in for a complete shock. My gene CT count was around 21. So usually कहते हैं कि 32 जो होता है वो negative होता है. And I spoke to a lot of my cousins and friends who were going through COVID, and they said उनका जो gene count था वो around 27 था, 28 था. So that way 21 is not great. But then honestly I had absolutely no symptoms at all. So but then I decided, first I felt very I felt very I'm like, why is this happening to me? I couldn't accept it. For 5 or 10 minutes I cried, and uske baad I composed myself, and then I decided, now Seema, now what do you have to do? So let me tell you, first of all, agar aapko thoda sa bhi you are any kind of aapko symptom lage, or if you don't feel anything right in your body, please get yourself tested. Not a lot of people do that, and they kind of isolate themselves and start doing some self medication. Please don't do that. And I've also seen people who just pop in a paracetamol, जो एक दवाई गोली ले लेते हैं, and then they go out everywhere. See, you can be carriers, so please don't do that. Be responsible, get yourself tested, and after that please talk to your doctor, your physician, और जो भी required है from your your medication, your steam inhalation, or the light food that you're supposed to eat, जो भी करना है, please talk to your doctors and do that. That's the most responsible thing to do. And I'm glad I did that. And of course उसके बाद जो है, it becomes a little difficult. See, for me, very honestly, panic मत कीजिए, because मैंने इतनी सारी stories सुन ली थी इतने लोगों से, real stories of course, उनके body pain की, and of course that they kind of get a little breathless, and they're going through various symptoms which is very very difficult. But honestly मैं आपको बताऊं कि मुझे कोई कुछ भी नहीं था. I just had temperature, and मेरा temperature मतलब बाहर से अगर मैं feel करूँ तो I don't even feel warm or hot. मतलब अंदर का बुखार होता था around like say 100.5 and 100 max, and I would pop in a paracetamol just as advised by my doctor, and I would be just fine. And I think for the first 5-6 days I worked from home because there was a lot of work. I kept myself busy, and fortunately, since I was all okay, and I had people to take care at home, so my mother-in-law would give me good nourishing food, and I had everyone out there, so it was easy. But on day 6th I remember it can sometimes take a little toll on your mental and emotional state, because I think at around 5 a.m. in the morning my daughter calls me, and she was like, she broke down like, Mama, I just want to give you a hug. And I felt so helpless that day, because you're in the same house and you just can't go out and see your children, or probably give them a hug. But I again quickly composed myself, and I told my daughter, you know what, bacha, Mama will be fine, and she will be out in few days. So just it's so important to keep your mental state स्ट्रॉन्ग बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज जब आप आइसोलेशन में रहते हैं ना, इट कैन रियली इम्पैक्ट योर मेंटल वेलनेस and your mental well-being. So what you can do is, of course, there are two kind of people: one who want to be connected to the outside world, and there are other kind of people who just want to be with themselves, watch some content, or just rest. So if you are feeling okay and fine, if you want to connect to people, please talk to them. It really helps. It helped me because I'm a very people's person. But then there are people who are going through a lot of body ache and a lot of other things. So please rest. It's okay. And please panic mat hoiye, because no two COVID patients have the same experience. So of course, agar aapke oxygen levels dip ho rahe hain, it's getting below 93, 92, that's when you talk to your doctor. Otherwise, thoda resilience rakhiye, thoda strength rakhiye, and I'm sure you will be okay. And I really want to tell all the other people also, who knows, like a lot of people were checking on me, Seema, are you fine? Do you need some medication, some fruit, some food? I said, see, you know what? I have people at home taking care of me. Agar aap kisi ke liye kuch karna chahte ho, and I think we are the privileged ones. We have a room and for ourselves, and we have everything around. So agar aap kisi ke liye kuch karna chahte na, please go out. There are so many people who are not as privileged. Like your security guard, your household help, and so many people, your maids. Like agar unko koi bhi help chahiye, and these people are not on social media, they're not very aware कि क्या हो रहा है, कैसे करें. if someone needs beds in hospitals, और किसी को कोई भी चीज़ की ज़रूरत है, तो please help करिए. I think this is the time you should go out and help. This is the time when we can be there for other people. So my papa would always say, in times of celebration, if you're not there, it's okay, but अगर किसी के need में हम कुछ कर सकते हैं, तो we should definitely do that. And I also want to tell people कि अगर आप जानते हैं कि your neighbor, your employee, your friends, कोई भी, if they need something, just leave a text, or talk to them. They feel great about it. And I would definitely want to tell all the COVID patients who have recovered कि please become plasma donors. This morning मैंने register किया as a plasma donor. तो जब आप recover हो जाते हो, there are few things that you need to keep in mind, that you should not be having some underlying issues, medical issues like your BP and of course diabetes and things like that. You can check with your doctor, and if you are eligible to become a plasma donor, तो please जाके donate कीजिए, because it can save somebody's life. I registered this morning, and if you need some more details about it, you can get in touch with me, and I will. In fact, अगर आप इंटरनेट पे भी जाएंगे तो आपको बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगी. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ द मोस्ट सेम थिंग टू डू. एंड बहुत लोगों को ये फील होता है कि ये मेरे साथ क्यों हुआ, या ये क्यों हो रहा है. जस्ट वॉन्ट टू टेल यू, सी एवरीथिंग एल्स कैन वेट. एवरीथिंग एल्स, जान है तो जहान है. However cliched it sounds, it's the fact. So please take care of yourselves. Please help others. Please donate plasma, and we are all in this together. Let's support each other and fight this. And I just hope and pray that this pandemic comes to an end very, very soon. Please take care of yourself. Thank you.